Alright guys, a quick one. Here, I'll detail how to link your Discord server to YouTube mobile. So if you have a YouTube account and you already created a Discord server, now you want to add or you want to connect the Discord server to your YouTube, then this video is going to walk you through how to do this step by step. So if none of this you found this helpful and informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe. Now, the first one to do is go ahead and open the Discord server app on your phone. This could be Android and could be iPhone. Go ahead and click on the U button at the bottom right. Then select the settings icon at top right. Here, once you click on the settings icon, I want to scroll down until you get to connections. Under settings, click on that. Now, once you selected connections under settings, you should see the total number of connections you can use here. Here I have 5 plus 18. Then go ahead and click on 18 or click on add at the top right. And then you see add new connection. Then scroll down until you get to YouTube. Go ahead and click on that. Once you selected YouTube, then you should see a new browser open on your phone. On the browser, select the YouTube account you want to link your Discord server to. So click on the YouTube account, then select again, select all, and then go ahead and click on continue at the bottom right. Once you hit the continue button, just hang on. Now, once connected, you should see Discord already has some access. So see the two services Discord has some access. If you click on that, then you can see now you can always remove any access in your Google account. See list of current active members. And then here, view YouTube count. Then go ahead and click on done. Then click on continue. So then go back to the Discord server. Then on the Discord server page, then you should see your YouTube account connected to your Discord server. So that is basically how to link your Discord server to YouTube mobile. So if you found this helpful and informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe.